Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair Toyota Camry steering wheel noise. Steering wheel noises can be quite annoying and often indicate an underlying issue that needs attention. We will explore common causes, ranging from low-power steering fluid to worn suspension parts. Understanding the source is the first crucial step in effectively resolving the problem and restoring quiet, smooth steering. Let's dive into the details. One of the most common reasons for steering noise is an issue with the power steering system. Begin by checking the fluid reservoir. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. If the fluid appears dark or has a burnt smell, it is time for a flush and replacement. Also, carefully inspect the power steering pump and all connecting hoses for any visible leaks or signs of wear. Addressing these can often resolve the noise. Beyond the power steering system, other mechanical components can contribute to noise. Carefully examine the intermediate steering shaft for any signs of looseness or corrosion, as this can cause creaking. Next, check the tie rod ends and ball joints for excessive play, which might produce clunking. Sometimes, dry steering column bushings just need lubrication. A clicking sound when turning often points to a faulty clock spring. Once the source of the noise is identified, the repair process can begin. This might involve replacing a worn intermediate shaft, new tie rod ends, or a fresh clock spring. For power steering issues, topping up or completely replacing the fluid is essential. Remember, regular inspections of your steering and suspension components during routine maintenance can prevent many of these noises from developing in the first place.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.